Welcome to the Batiste experience for wavy hair. We'll show you how to take your lifeless waves from tragic to magic instantly with Batiste Dry Shampoo. First, we prep. Start at your roots and work out any knots. Section your hair and grab your Batiste Dry Shampoo with the other. Now shake it up. Hold the nozzle 12 inches from your hair and spray into your roots. That white stuff? That's the real magic. Batiste uses ultra-refined rice starch to soak up oils, add extra oomph, and give your hair that fresh feeling. Massage your head to distribute the dry shampoo evenly. The more you massage, the more it blends. Oh yeah, this dry shampoo smells good. Like really good. Voila, refreshed, clean-feeling hair in an instant. You can even use the added grip and texture to try a new look. Like a half up, half down. And there you have it, the full Batiste experience for wavy hair.